Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. I just wanted to do a little chocolate decoration, little tutorial. So I have a piece of plastic here. This is food grade plastic, right there. Just going to put that down. I'm just going to get some chocolate on here. This is just melted, regular chocolate. Milk chocolate. It is not tempered. I'm just going to grab a little offset spatula. Looks good. I've got a little cake scraper, and I'm just going to find the edge here and then just bring that right through. There we go. And now we'll just let that completely solidify, and then we'll come back. So here we are again. I let these sit here until they firmed up, and then I just put them into the fridge for about 10 minutes. So I'll just lift up this plastic here. And this plastic, you can reuse this. Just wash it and then use it again. Look at this. You just pull it apart, and look at this. Look at that. And you can just take this now, flip it over, and look at all these cute little decorations. Look at that. And just break them off here on the end. Just like that. And look at that. Really fun little decoration that you could put onto the top of a cake. Break them up, put them on cupcakes, and as well, of course, break them into smaller pieces and just sprinkle them on ice cream. Look at how nice those are. Here's our acetate. Just wash that off, soap and water, let it dry, and you're ready to go again. I use a lot of this plastic, so I buy it in a very, very large roll. That's going to last me for quite some time, but you can see how much I buy at a time. Well, these are super fun. So that's it for this really fun video. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to make some really neat chocolate decorations just using a cake comb and some chocolate and a little piece of plastic. And there we go. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.